Welcome to 7 Words Academy. Right now we will discuss about the content writing style and the guidelines. Before you write content, the first thing you need to do about researching about the topic and finding out the long tail keywords along with your focus keyword. So after that you need to research from internet. You have to study, you have to read other websites, other competitor websites, how they have written, and you have to come up with your own unique article, well researched article that is better than them. We can take an example of a content writing style here. If you see copyblogger.com, and they are very good about writing good content. They provide tips about good content. So if we see here, the very first thing, the headline, the H1 they have given is very clear and the title is catchy. So you have to create the good title, and then you can see there is image. So you have to put variety of content does not mean that it is only text. You have to put images, you have to put videos, you have to put infographic, you can put statistics, you can put table, you can put audio files, you can put webinar ppts, pdf, download books, many things here, so that it can give an attractive look to your potential users. And internet users, they mostly don't read line by line, they basically scan the whole web page. So your content must be scannable. So for that reason you have to put more and more white space, clear font, precise font, and also in a paragraph format. And if you see here, after this image they have given interactive content. So you see the interactiveness, you have any of the following, like this way they have started. Now you see the different font format they have used here. Now you can see the clear subheadings they have used, like H2s. Now you can see also how they have linked their other internal pages and external pages here with the anchor text. So you can see here, this is quite important. If you can see Wikipedia content, so you can see the similar structure there. Wikipedia is having one content, they are relevant, their topic is relevant, they are sticking to that particular topic, not deviating to other things, and they are putting links to other pages where they have elaborately discussed about that particular topic. So the similar way you have to write this way. Now you see other images here, you can see the other subheadings, you can see again links, you can see the chart and graph they have given here. Now you can see how they have used, marketed their things. Follow us, like this way they have made it. So this is the style of writing content. You have to read good blogs like Copyblogger, like problogger.net. even you can also check with neilpatel.com. you can also check with SEO Moz blog. Rand Frishkin is there. So I am repeating once again, content writing, first of all you need to focus on long tail keywords. You have to select your topic, you have to research it well, you have to come up with the most unique writing style, interactive writing style. You have to put lot of white space there, you have to put variation of content like images, videos, podcast, webinar, you can put PowerPoint presentations there. You have to stick to your topic, do not deviate from other things in the same page. You can put internal, external links to other related subtopics for your page. And remember, you don't have to overstuff your content with keywords. It should be natural, well blended. You have to maintain a perfect keyword density. The keyword density, what is keyword density and keyword proximity, that we would discuss in the later module. So you have to maintain these things to write a proper content. And to check the duplicate content is very bad for SEO, because Google will devalue your page and you would not get good rank there. So we can check the duplicate content from small SEO tools, Plagiarism Checker. This tool will give you, before publishing a content, you can easily check whether this is copied or not. And after publishing your content, there is another tool that is called Copyscape. From there you can also check whether your content has been copied by other websites or not. So you can check by putting the page URL here, and you can click on go. So you can see that thing. So like we see http www.7words.com. if we click here, if we check on go, then we can see the results here, whether it is duplicated or not. And another thing you have to remember, see now, see the LinkedIn, there are LinkedIn coming, then social media agency feature. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 results are coming. So that means there are certain percentage of content copied from this. So if we click on LinkedIn page, Copyscape will show you how much percentage of the, what is the percentage of the content that is being copied here. So here you can see it's coming here. The comparison below was created by Copyscape. So you can say this page seems to have recently removed some matching content. So that means there is no copied content over here. So you can go back and then check the another one. So we can check it over here, say social media agency feature. So we can click on this page, and you see this page below has 69 words matching. That is 1% of the page. So you should take care of it. 1% of matching content, it is not that way big, so it is quite in a allowed range. So your page minimum 70% unique, it should be 70% unique, and 100%, if you can make it 100% unique, then it is better. So from here you can check the duplicacy of the content. Now the length of the content, we say ideally your content length should be 350 words. Minimum is 300 words. Below 300 words your content would be considered as thin content, that is bad for SEO. And maximum you can put 2500 words, but more than 2500 words it would be a bit irritating for the users, because they have to scroll down the page and they don't like to read big content. So that's why we say ideally you should keep your content length 1000 words per page. So this is very crucial, and don't go below 300 words, it would be then thin content. That's why for e-commerce website we put on stress on writing more and more product description, better product description and better product reviews. That will give you some mileage for the content perspective. But for other publishing websites, blog, media websites and other company websites, corporate websites, you can keep the content length minimum to 300 words. And from WordPress website, if we write a page, so this is the page content writing area. This area is the content writing area. Here you have to put your subheadings. Here you can see this toolbox from where you can include the quotation, you can include your image, you can include your links, you can also justify, align this, you can also bold or make or underline it, italics it. Bold and underline words, those are for emphasizing your focus keywords, your long tail keywords. That is not that much of impact in on-page SEO nowadays, but still we can do it. But do not over optimize your content. It should be natural, it should be unique, it should be blended well, and it should not sound bad while you are reading. So in that way you have to keep your content crisp, clear, focused and within the set word limit. And of course it should be unique, well researched content. Thank you.